Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to show you how to put some alerts through OBS using StreamElements to your stream. So let's say if somebody's subscribing to your channel while you're live, you get this fancy little alert or GIF or whatever you want to call it. First thing we're going to do is go to StreamElements.com. Once you're here, you're going to be logging in with your YouTube channel or Twitch or Kick or whatever. So if you don't have an account, you do the same thing, but you just click the Get Started button. So once you're in, you're gonna go to Streaming Tools, Overlays, and you're gonna create a new overlay. Now I'm streaming at 1080p, so we're gonna say 1080p. Now you got this whole canvas over here. You're gonna click this little plus button. You're gonna go to Alerts, Alert Box, and we're gonna drag this over here. And you see all these little things. So if somebody donates, there will be a tip alert. If somebody joins your channel as a member for a monthly subscription, there will be a member alert. But we're just gonna go for the subscriber right now. All of these work exactly the same, so it's easy for you to fix. Let's fix these dimensions. Since we are in a 1080p resolution, we're gonna go 1920, 1920, and 1080, and I'm gonna center the widget. So it's full screen right now. That makes it easier to know where the alert is coming. So we're gonna click back on layers and we're gonna go for the alert box, settings, subscriber alert. We're gonna click this little wheel. And right now we have a standard little thing, which is fine. We're gonna emulate and we're gonna click subscriber event to see what kind of alert this is. There we have it. So what we can do, we can just add this and say, okay, save. And then we're going to click this little icon over here so that we copy our browser link, and then we're going to go to OBS. So don't be alarmed with the infinity screen right now. What we're gonna do is click this little plus in sources. I'm gonna go to browser, and we're gonna create a name for this, alerts. Doesn't really matter as long as you know it yourself. Now right here, we're gonna paste that little link, and again we're gonna do 1920, 1080. Also, I'd like to do sound through OBS. That way you don't have to hold your browser on while going live. I'm gonna press OK. I'm gonna put this off for a little bit. Now that we have our alerts, we can go back to our StreamElements and we're gonna click Emulate Subscriber Event to test it. Alright, so that's working fine. We can even tell how many seconds this should be. We can change the text. You can do all sorts of things. Like over here. You know, make it more personal. And that's how you put an alert in OBS using StreamElements. Well, the other thing we can do is we can also change this video. And right now, I created multiple stuff of my own. Let's take this Batman I created. And my Batman video has his own sound. So we're gonna clear the other sound and we're gonna save it. Now we're gonna test it again. Now we have our own video while somebody is subscribing. You can do that with anything you ever want. And I made another video about this where you can create your own overlayers, your own characters to make them do whatever you want. So be creative and level up your stream. Right, hope this helps. If any questions or anything you want some help with or a video about, just drop a comment and I'll be happy to share it with you.